I'm Joshua McKinney with your Wake Tech News Update. Wake Tech is among a select group of community and technical colleges across the United States working together to increase the talent pipeline for the manufacturing industry. The Workforce Pipeline Challenge is a 3-year pilot program designed to address the industry's workforce shortage and skills gap crisis. Led by the Society of Manufacturing Engineers, the national nonprofit is committed to accelerating new manufacturing technology adoption and building North America's manufacturing talent and capabilities. Wake Tech's work building community partnerships took the national stage during the 2024 Achieving the Dream Conference. Wake Tech President Dr. Scott Ralls, Hugh McLean, Vice President of Operations for the Boys and Girls Club serving Wake County, and Wake Tech alumna Khadijah Scarborough served as panelists for a session focused on the transformative impact of community partnerships. Culinary and baking students earned a total of 36 medals at the North Carolina American Culinary Federation competition at the Scott Northern Wake campus. It is the largest competition of its kind. 13 entries won gold, 18 received silver, and 5 bronze. All entries were judged on artistry, craftsmanship, theme, and presentation based all on ACF scales. You're invited to a grand opening. Wake Tech East. It's Wake Tech's newest location in Wendell. Join us on April 25th, beginning at 5:30 p.m. for music, food, fun, tours, and much more. Wake Tech East offers a chance to earn a college degree close to home in some of the most high-tech facilities around. Information technology, engineering, aviation, EMS, public safety, and more. It's all being offered at Wake Tech East, located on Rollsville Road off of I-87 in Wendell. Again, the grand opening is April 25th at 5:30 p.m. We sure hope to see you there. Wake Tech is proud to announce Dr. Keith Babushchek, Provost for IT Programs at the RTP campus, has been selected as a 2024-25 Fulbright U.S. Scholar for the prestigious Fulbright Nehru International Education Administrators Program in India. Dr. Babushchek joins a distinguished group of faculty and administrators to visit colleges and universities in and around Delhi, as well as participate in cultural excursions and presentations. Wake Tech is also pleased to announce Mark Sullivan as the new department head for Criminal Justice and Forensic Science Technologies and Public Safety Administration. Sullivan, who brings decades of experience as a law enforcement officer and instructor to the role, will manage departmental resources and faculty. You can explore all the opportunities that await you at Wake Tech during Open House at the Scott Northern Wake campus and Perry Health Sciences campus from 9 a.m. to noon on Saturday, April 13th. Explore academic programs, navigate the admissions and financial aid process, discover support services and resources, and tour campuses with a student leader. Register today at openhouse.waketech.edu. For more news, we're always on. Visit us at news.waketech.edu, and that's your Wake Tech News Update.